So I'm going to try something a little bit different today than what I usually do. It's going to be a little bit more like a podcast, but with visuals. So it'll be with what I usually do for my Instagram post a week, along with a slight commentary on it. So this is a Tough It Out Thursday, so let me know what you guys think about this, because it's completely different than what I've done before. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so per usual, on Thursdays I do 7 quotes, so let's start with the first quote. The first quote is, always be your biggest critic. Don't let anyone else take this achievement. This achievement needs to go to you. You need to be the one that tells yourself, I'm not doing good enough, I can do more. You can have your running mates that will help you along with this process, but you want to ultimately be able to do it on your own, because that's what's going to help you build what you want to build. My second quote is, dream, plan, achieve. That's 3 simple steps to success. The first step is to dream it up, the second step is to plan what steps you're going to do to get there, and the third step is to achieve the steps that you need to take and achieve your dream. So you can sit there all day and you can dream, or you can sit there all day and you can plan, but if you're not doing that third step of actually achieving, then you're just wasting your time. My third quote is, be the 100%er, not the 99%er. If you want to build momentum, you build momentum by giving it 100% consistently every single day. You don't build the best momentum by giving it 99%, because luck wants to see people that are giving it everything they've got. And when you do this, and when you prove yourself to whoever controls luck, that is when you start to actually see things coming to fruition around you. My fourth quote is, don't let your dreams just sit on the hilltop. This kind of goes along with the second quote, achieve your dreams, don't let them just sit there. If they just sit there, they're going to die, or they're going to seem daunting, or you're going to think about all the reasons why you don't want to achieve your dreams, when you need to be thinking about the reasons why you do want to achieve your dreams. My fifth quote for you is, what do you want to do when you grow up? Do you know? Have you thought about what you want to do, or have you just thought about what your dreams are? If you don't know what you want to do when you grow up, then what are you dreaming about? Have you thought about all the reasons why you want to do it? Have you thought about what you will get out of doing it? Have you thought about who you will benefit by doing what you want to be doing? Think about these things, question yourself, and figure out what it is that you really want to do when you become a grown-up. My sixth quote for you is, choose to be happy. Happiness can be a choice. It's based off of the situations that you set yourself in. If you set yourself in situations that will set you up for success, then you set yourself up for situations that set you up for happiness. If you are successful, that does not necessarily mean happy, but if you are successful and you have things to help you get by, then you will be more likely to be feeling more complete than you would be feeling if you weren't setting yourself up for success. And there are even other steps that you can take for choosing to be happy, such as doing things every day like saying mantras to yourself, telling yourself you can do it, looking in the mirror, smiling, giving yourself a thumbs up, having positive thoughts, and several other little things that you can do, saying things to yourself like, I love life, life is great, I'm in a great situation right now. You can choose to be happy if you set yourself up that way. My seventh quote is, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. This is by Aristotle, and what this means is, if you don't know yourself, then you can't know how to help other people, you can't know where you need to go in your life, you can't know how to overcome certain obstacles, because if you don't know yourself, you won't be able to overcome the hardships that come your way, because you don't know how you need to deal with this. So what this means is, you need to start thinking more about who you are as a person, how you react to certain situations. Start thinking about your emotions, what causes you to have certain emotions, and what your strengths and weaknesses are, so that you're prepared for many, many different situations as they may arise. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, let me know what you guys think about this style of video. It's a little bit different. And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I got videos coming out for you every Monday, every Thursday. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.